Hey friends, today I'm using the Home Sweet Farmhouse size C transfer along with some black velvet chalk paste and this super cute little tool caddy that I found at the craft store. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fuzz this transfer up because this is a metal tool caddy, I guess you could call it, and it will stick like crazy if you do not fuzz it up well. So once I got it all fuzzed up and I got it onto the tool caddy the way that I wanted it, I just came in and I mixed up my black velvet chalk paste to a nice yogurt-like consistency, and then I put it all over that silkscreen area of the part that I wanted to cover using the small squeegee. It doesn't get any easier than that. Now, once I am all finished, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel it up and wait till you see how cute it turned out. Now, my question for you is, when you see this finished project pic, what would you guys put inside this super cute little caddy that I created? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Thanks so much for checking out my video. Have a good day. Bye.